Hi guys, so this video is how to change the battery on your Ford Kuga key fob. Now I believe this is for years from 2018 up to 2025, maybe going into 26 as well. It's still the same procedure. It may be the same for other Ford models, but this is a key for a Ford Kuga. Now you'll see, looking at the key, there's two little buttons either side. So if you pinch them, it will release this top panel here. So just get your nail under and remove it. And that will expose your emergency key. Now, it's handy to get yourself a flathead screwdriver just to flick this out, but you don't really need to. You can actually do it just by removing it with your fingers, like so. But this bit you will need a flathead screwdriver. So just place your screwdriver towards the base, as you can see there. You need to prise it open from this end of the key fob. So just put your screwdriver in and twist until you hear it click, and it'll push the back part off like so, and it will expose your battery. You put the electronic side apart, and there is your battery. So you need to take note of whether it's plus or minus, up or down. So as you remove the battery, just take your screwdriver to flick it out, and you'll see it's plus side down, and it's a CR2032. I don't know if you can see that very well. A CR2032 battery. I don't need to replace mine, so I'm putting it plus side down, which it indicates on the cover. You just put it plus side down, so it's minus side up. Just gently fit it like so. Then you put this part of the cover back on, with the one with the buttons on, and just line it all up. Okay, and push it together till you hear it click, like so. Then put your emergency key back in a slot like that. I'm guessing you could probably use the emergency key to prise the two parts open. You don't really need a screwdriver at all. And then just clip your cover back on. So that is how to replace the Ford battery on the key fob battery on your Ford Kuga. Possibly the other ranges as well are similar, but this is a key for a Ford Kuga. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.